Take a moment to appreciate the beauty around you. The colors of those plants are absolutely beautiful and they bring so much joy and calm into my space. There's something about being surrounded by nature. The colors, textures, and the little details reminds us to slow down and enjoy the present moment. Spending time with plants and being in nature feels healing. It brings peace to the mind, comfort to the heart, and a sense of connection with the world around us. Nature has a beautiful way of making everything feels brighter. My name is Sienna. Please feel free to book a one-on-one sessions. Thank you.